Prophets in Islam series. 25 Prophets, One Message, One God. Number 19. Ilyas alayhis salam. Name: Ilyas alayhis salam. Birth and lineage: full name: Ilyas ibn Yasin. Born in the land of Banu Israel, likely in the region of Lebanon or Sham, Greater Syria. From the descendants of Harun alayhis salam, the brother of Musa alayhis salam. Mentioned by name in the Quran in Surah As-Saffat and Al-An'am. Context and mission: sent to the people of Baalbek, Baala, in present-day Lebanon. People had turned to idol worship, mainly a deity called Baal. Will you call upon Baal and forsake the best of creators? Mission: call people back to worship of Allah alone. Revelation and prophethood: chosen as a prophet after the time of Sulaiman alayhis salam. Preached Tawheed and righteous conduct to a rebellious community. Warned them of Allah's punishment for their stubborn disbelief. Supported with divine message but rejected by the majority. Patience and struggle: faced threats and violence from idol worshippers and corrupt rulers. Remained steadfast with sabr and hikmah, wisdom. Like many prophets, he was deeply hurt by his people's denial. Miracles and support from Allah. Although specific miracles are not detailed in Quran, narrations say Allah granted him miracles like prayer-induced rain and drought, reminiscent of the miracles of Prophet Ilyas' successor, Ilyas alayhis salam. Family and personal life. No detailed accounts of his wives or children are confirmed in the Quran or Sahih Hadith. Focus in the Quran is entirely on his mission and message. Death or ascension: some scholars suggest he died a natural death, others believe he was raised like Isa alayhis salam. There is no authentic hadith to confirm either view definitely. And Ilyas was most surely among the messengers. Mention in the Quran: mentioned by name in Surah As-Saffat, Surah Al-An'am, along with other righteous prophets. Praised as among the righteous, sincere and chosen. Key qualities: Tawheed-centric preacher, patient in adversity, steadfast under threat, righteous and wise, pure and sincere in worship. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.